Up in Smoke, man. Up in Smoke is our first patio event that I've been a part of since coming on as the executive chef, and it's our first patio event of the year. Try to bring the neighborhood out, have a little block party, have some good vibes, good tunes, bring your dog, drink some bourbon, eat some barbecue, and it'll be a good time.
Most juicy pork I've had in a long time, almost buttery in a sense.
This is about as good as you can get.
So being a chef to me, it means that I have the opportunity every day to create memories for folks and make this a special place for many different reasons to many different people.
One of the main reasons we use Cheshire Pork, aside from the great folks, Esther and her family and everyone we get to communicate with, it's got incredible intramuscular fat. I mean, you can see, the skin is just completely separated from the meat. It makes for a pretty easy cook.
Oh, this Cheshire Pork was amazing. It was delicious. Amazing night tonight.
It was nice, tender. My boyfriend said, oh my gosh, this is so delicious. We really enjoyed our night.
So we are about halfway through the hog now, and we are still over here pulling ripping hot meat spaghetti apart. Everybody's enjoying themselves, not even halfway through.
It was juicy, it was amazing. As soon as it hit my mouth, it just melted, and I can't wait to try my second plate.
We are winding down. A couple people straggling in to pick up the scraps off the grill, but pork was phenomenal. People love the pork. We got a lot of great compliments on it. We enjoyed using the Cheshire hog on this one. Thank you so much, Cheshire, for donating the hog. We had a lot of happy people, happy chefs. Couldn't have gone any better.